Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you this evening. I've got an interesting unboxing. This is with a company called Wild Grain. Now, normally I'm doing meats and poultry and fish and stuff like that, but lately I was approached by a company. I thought this was really interesting. I don't really, I'm not much of a baker, never have been, but I've always wanted to kind of learn and have a little step-by-step process. This company sends you out basically a baker's box with ingredients and stuff to teach you step-by-step how to make certain things. Send you out your doughs and things like that. So it's really, really cool. Caught my attention. I said that would definitely be something different to try. So I said, yeah, we'll try it. But anyway, this is the first box. I'm gonna put a link in the description box where you can get yours, coupon code, all that. Please, you read over that. But I'm gonna just do an unboxing here. Show you. This is how it comes. I had to work late tonight, so everything hopefully should still be frozen. They said they have really good packaging, so let's see what we're looking at here. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, it's really cold in there, y'all. Oh, you can tell there was some dry ice in there, little shavings. Down south here, we gotta have that. And oh wow. So look, this says, thanks for becoming a member. You'll get, and oh cool. These are croissants, y'all. They're frozen, but they're the dough ready to bake croissants. Super easy there. Let's see what else I've got in this box. Oh, look at that loaf right there. What is that? A slow fermented cranberry pecan bread. Oh yeah, I love some pecans. Let's see what else we got, y'all. We've got a sourdough bread, and these are just breads ready to bake up. Oh, it's better than I thought. I ain't gonna mix anything. This is a sourdough rosemary garlic bread. Now, I know we love these. Getting these from the bakery at the grocery store anytime we're having Italian night. And usually $8 to $10 there, but this is gonna be a lot better, I'm sure. And what else we got in here? We've got some tortellini, some pasta. Cool, just throw that along. And yeah, here's some fettuccine. Fresh fettuccine cheese. All this stuff can be frozen in your freezer for I think up to like 6 months or something like that. So until you're ready to use it. But like I said, I got this big box of it. We're gonna get started on using it here real quick. But I just want to unbox it for you guys tonight and talk about it. Go check out the website for sure. Don't forget about my coupon code. Go to Wild Grain. It's just wildgrain.com. That's it, y'all. Thank you so much. And I've got a lot of stuff coming here real soon. Been super busy. I'm going to bring it to y'all. We've got some big videos coming up.